Some ackee and corn pork, guys. If you have never tried this one before, it's so delicious. Come, let's make it together. So good. Alright, so what I make today, I make some ackee and some salt pork. Right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, wash off the pork, boil it. Yeah, wash off the pork and see this. And I wonder if I want nipple. If I the pig nipple this. What is? Anyway, this is what it look like. Alright, so I'm gonna add that to the pot. I'm gonna boil this about 15-20 minutes and then we'll come back. Alright, so I have onion, tomato, scallion, red and green bell pepper, piece of thyme, hot pepper, neat piece of garlic too. Alright, so I'll cut up that. One whole heap of onion in it. No mind the nice and rubbish truck. Rubbish truck outside. So just have cut up the man and just set everything aside. I try and move fast because I'm up on the road. So I'm trying. So cut off this coming on time for the fish. So we have a red, a piece of green, scallion, make sure now see where the tag go and have the water going. So I think me have to put the whole of the thing into car. Pepper. And pepper is not really hot. Them say, me buy the green one, them say that one is hotter. I try that one, it's still not hotter. So I'll probably add some red pepper flakes to it and some thyme. So let's see what I want and what I want. Alright, so we have onion, red and green bell pepper, scallion, tomato, hot pepper, and a piece of thyme. Alright, so I'm gonna pour off this. Cold water. add it, the season the more. Alright, allow this to cool down. Alright, so now I'll cut up the pork now. I said 20 minutes, this in there about 35 minutes a boil. Alright, just figure out what size you want, cut it up, you know. I try to get the skin on most of them, but you know, all this rather way the color one kind of thick, so alright, so let me just bust it, not too, and cut it. Everything is working out. Oops. So this is all I have. Alright, so we're gonna add the salt pork to the pot. More likely because of this someone is splattering, so let's just splatter guard over it. Listen, me and Ackee now no look, you know, so let's see what I'm going for this. The Ackee always have the solid look, but I don't know, I think it tastes like Ackee. No, not taste. So let's start drain this. Not bad. Alright, so in this we have the garlic, the hot pepper, onions, scallion. Right, so we're gonna add that to the pot. I'm tempted to add some tomato paste to the pot. I don't know why. I'm tempted. Alright, so I'm gonna add back this to the pot. Just to soften it up a little. I don't want it too, they don't stiff or tough, but I don't want it too saggy neither. So alright, and you can also add a little more flavor to this. You don't want the ackee not to too much. Alright, so I cover this down maybe like a minute and then come back. Guys, if you have made it this far, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to support this page in any way you can. I do appreciate you guys, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.